Japanese automaker Honda has started working on the next generation CR-V SUV, which is expected to be introduced in 2022. The all-new Honda CR-V prototype has been caught testing several times in the foreign soil. Honda has managed to keep the details hidden, since the new-gen CR-V test mule can be seen covered in camouflage from head to toe. However, the spied car looks bigger in size as compared to the model it is set to replace. The overall design looks more angular than before, while the hood seems longer and flatter. The next-gen CR-V seems to carry over the tradition of large overhangs on both ends. In addition, the front end features a bigger grille with a new pattern. The radiator grille is flanked by sharper-looking LED headlamps that appear to feature a two-piece setup. The wing mirrors have now been placed on the doors instead of the A-pillars, which is probably to reduce wind noise and/or for better aerodynamics. A prominent character line runs across almost the entire length of the car, from the headlamps to the taillights. The SUV also gets a larger quarter glass. The interior of the new Honda CR-V will be all new. It will have a freestanding touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The current model is available with hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants, and the same is expected with the next-gen CR-V as well. Adding to it, the new model will also receive a pure electric version for the several global markets. The SUV is also expected to feature a 1.5-liter turbocharged VTEC engine with CVT gearbox.